Hello, my name is Zach Kittner, and we decided to add solar panels to our house because we were wanting to lock in or solidify our costs per year on energy, and we wanted to leave a smaller carbon footprint, and this program and these panels will allow us to do both, and we're very happy with how things have turned out and what's going on right now, and it's been a great experience for us. We're very satisfied with everything, the program, the people being able to reach them, the power that we've been getting every month. The bills are so much lower than we had before. It's been great. The process was very easy. The sales reps were really good and reached out to us and made sure that we didn't have any questions and went the extra mile for us to get the kind of situation that we needed and to help with some of the roof issues we had. We did a new roof as well, so we were able to take care of all that at once. It was great. It worked out really nice. We decided to go solar because we wanted to keep our monthly costs down. And we saw the long-term investment to be such a great value, especially here in Los Angeles, where the prices have gone up substantially every year for the cost of power. It really became a no-brainer for us when we looked at the numbers and projected over the course of the roof and the panels how much money we were going to save. It pays for itself in just a number of years. We've had a great experience. We've really couldn't be happier with our program. And thank you, LA Solar Group, for all you've done for us.